Austin's apartment market continued its very strong bounce back in third quarter 2010 as rents and occupancy rates are surging back up. Welcome to Apartment Market Dynamics from NPF Research. I'm Jay Parsons with your Austin update. New deliveries in Austin are really thinning out just as apartment demand remains very strong, and that's translated to some big improvement in occupancy. Overall occupancy is now at 93.3%. That is up 0.9 points in third quarter and up 3 points annually. And same-store rents jumped 2.5% just in third quarter, and that brought annual rent change into positive territory for the first time in 2 years. Rents climbed 1.9% in the year ending September, which beats the national average and all the other major Texas markets, with the exception, of course, of El Paso, which will probably again lead the nation in rent growth on an annual basis. And taking a look at some submarkets, annual revenue growth topped 6% in half of Austin's 10 submarkets. And let's take a particular look at 3 on the north side: Northwest Austin, Far North Austin, and Far Northwest Austin. All 3 of these submarkets now have occupancy rates right around the 95% mark, and with the exception of Far North Austin, all these areas have pretty much caught back to pre-recession occupancy levels. And all have seen steady occupancy growth of late, up 2 to 4 points in the year ending September, with most of that growth occurring this calendar year. And all 3 recorded rent growth in both 3Q and in the year ending September. Northwest Austin really led the way in this category, with same-store rents surging 3.5% in third quarter and jumping 4.4% year over year. And looking at weaknesses in Austin's apartment market, there's still a lot of softness in Austin's more affordable submarkets. In particular, East Austin, North Central Austin, and Southeast Austin all have a good bit of work left to do, even though they've seen some improvement of late. Occupancy rates remain below 92% in all 3 submarkets, and still a lot of ground to make up to get back to the occupancy rates seen prior to the recession. And in East Austin and Southeast Austin, annual rent change was still negative as of September, which is contrary to the metro norm. Rents down about 1% year over year in both of these submarkets. Now, looking at Austin's forecast for the year ahead, look for big rent growth in Austin's apartment market. Apartment demand should remain very strong, and new deliveries are likely to tally less than 2,000 units, which is pretty much nothing for Austin. So that wraps us up for Austin. So until next time, for Apartment Market Dynamics and NPF Research, I'm Jay Parsons. Thank you for watching.
Want more? Go deeper with NPF Research's apartment market reports. From a national level, down to individual metros, to specific neighborhoods, NPF Research has been providing unparalleled apartment market intelligence to the multifamily industry for almost 5 decades. Learn more by contacting us at 877-284-4938 or visit www.npfresearch.com and click on Market Reports.